I'm Clint Smith with Leica Geosystems, and today I want to show you one of the best ones that we have in the portfolio. You can use it with any of our lasers. This receiver is the Rod Eye160. It has a digital display, an extremely wide sensor so you can pick up the beam from a long ways away. And by long distance, I mean, say 500 meters or 1,300 feet, depending on the laser. This receiver is good for that. And it's really simple to use. I'm going to show you here. You can see that there's an arrow telling me that I have to move the receiver up. That's easy enough to do. I can just clip it and I move it up until I get a green light and I know I'm on center. If I go too far, I'll have an arrow telling me to move it down. So I just simply move it down. This is a perfect receiver if you need to know how far off you are, because it'll tell you in millimeters and inches, almost in any other unit that you want, how far off you are. And you can simply adjust it by moving it up and down until you have the level that you want. Simple receiver to use with a lot of features